Hello guys, and hope doing well. Thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, this is my project to EMF field detector. As you can see, this is upgraded device with LM324 quad operational amplifier IC, and here is the other side. We have two protection diodes here, germanium diodes, one protection diodes here for the inductor coil, and one buzzer to make output sound, and of course two LEDs for the sound level results. Excuse me, for the LED indication results. Very good. So this is 100 microhenry inductor coil. As you can see, when I'm touching this inductor coil or wire, the buzzer makes sound, and also the LED is blinking here. Very good. I will try with this mobile phone. As you can see, very nice. I will turn it on again. Just check the noise level. Very nice. When I'm pushing the screen, even when I'm browsing the page, as you can see, as soon the Wi-Fi working, the buzzer can detect negotiation between wireless router and modem between the mobile phone. I'm trying to dial a number. I'm calling emergency number. We have also exact noise between mobile phone and this device detector. I have several videos about assembly version of this project. You can try to find exactly the projects about this detection. Here is the assembly version, exactly like that. Here is exactly LM324 and the volume and the LEDs. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.